ChatGPT once told a lawyer that 6 court cases proved his client was innocent. The lawyer cited them in front of a judge. There was just one problem. None of those cases existed. The AI made them up, completely. And it sounded absolutely certain. This isn't a bug. It's not a glitch they're working on fixing. It's baked into how every language model works, including the one in your phone right now. Even OpenAI admits it will never fully go away. Let's back up. AI hallucination. That's when AI makes up information that sounds completely real. A fake study, a fake quote, a fake person. And here's what makes it dangerous. The AI doesn't know it's lying. It can't know, because it was never designed to know facts in the first place. See, ChatGPT and every other language model learned by reading billions of pages of text. But it wasn't memorizing facts like a textbook. It was learning patterns, which words usually come after which other words. It's prediction. Very, very sophisticated prediction. But prediction isn't knowledge. And that difference is everything. Think of it like autocomplete on your phone. When you type "see you," your phone suggests tomorrow or later or soon. It's not checking your calendar. It doesn't know your plans. It just knows those words usually come next. Now imagine that autocomplete on steroids, trained on the entire internet, predicting not just the next word but entire paragraphs. That's ChatGPT. It's not looking things up. It's not fact-checking. It's completing patterns. And sometimes, the most likely pattern is wrong. Here's the uncomfortable math. The best AI models today, GPT-4, Claude, Gemini, still hallucinate somewhere between 3 and 18% of the time. 3 to 18%. Depending on what you ask, that might sound small. It's not. If you ask AI to help with 10 facts for a work presentation, statistically, one of them might be made up. And here's the cruel twist. AI sounds most confident when it's most wrong. There's no stutter, no, I'm not sure, no hesitation. It delivers fiction with the same smooth certainty as fact. Your brain isn't built to doubt something that confident. So why can't they just fix it? Here's the thing. Hallucination isn't a bug. It's a feature. The same mechanism that lets AI write creative stories, brainstorm ideas, and generate new sentences is the same mechanism that makes things up. They're mathematically identical. If you train a model to only say things it's absolutely certain about, it becomes useless. It can't help you draft an email, it can't summarize an article, it can't do anything creative. The creativity and the lyings come from the same place. OpenAI knows this. In their own documentation, they say, and I'm quoting, "Hallucinations are an inherent limitation. Inherent, not temporary, not we're working on it. Inherent. They've tried everything. Adding fact databases, training models to say, I don't know, building systems that check their own work. Each fix helps a little. None of them solve it. Because you can't solve a math problem by wishing it away. The prediction engine will always sometimes predict wrong. So what does that mean for you? It means you need a system, not paranoia, just a habit. Here's what actually works. First, never trust AI for anything that matters without checking. Medical advice? Check with a real source. Legal facts? Verify. Statistics for work? Look them up. Second, ask AI for sources. It might still make them up, but at least you have something to Google. Third, use AI for drafts, not finals. Let it brainstorm, let it structure. But you do the fact layer. And fourth, watch for confidence. The smoother it sounds, the more you should double-check. These 4 habits take maybe 30 extra seconds. They could save you from citing a court case that doesn't exist. Now, the honest caveat. This doesn't mean AI is useless. Far from it. For creative work, brainstorming, first drafts, explaining concepts, summarizing long documents, it's genuinely helpful. The error rate matters most when facts matter. If you're writing a fantasy story, who cares if the AI invents a fake medieval battle? That's the job. But if you're citing that battle in a history paper, that's a problem. The tool isn't broken. It's just not the tool you thought it was. It's a writing partner, not a fact machine. So here's what this actually means for your life. Every time you use ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, any of them, you're working with a brilliant writing assistant that sometimes confidently makes things up. That's not going to change. Not next year, not ever. The lawyer who cited fake cases, he trusted the tool to do something it was never built to do. You don't have to make that mistake. Use AI for what it's great at. Check it for what it's bad at. And remember, if it sounds too smooth, too confident, too certain, that's exactly when you should look twice. That's the deal. Now you know.